What's good, everybody? Welcome back to SB'z Garage. Today we're going to be tinting out the tail light. So we're going to go from this to that. Now if you want to see how I do it, stay tuned and you'll see how I do it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna need to do is make sure everything's clean. Right now, you might feel that it's clean. So in order to do that, I'm gonna clay bar it. So got my clay bar. Just make sure you fold it over a couple times. Make sure you have a nice clean surface. Okay, cool. And the way I move it is I have a soap that I use to wash the car. I just kept that, and I'm gonna use that to lube it. I just apply it everywhere. Get some more if you need it. And then back and forth motion. You'll start feeling little bumps and little scratches getting picked up, but once it's all smooth, you know you've done a good job and that you're ready for the tint. And you can see that there's little things getting picked up. It's not much, but yeah, there's some things getting picked up. So same with the other side, and then we'll microfiber towel and wipe them clean. But let's get this side. So I turned it over again. Get a clean surface. Now get some soap, apply it over, and back and forth motion. You don't want to go swirls and circles and all that, just back and forth. So this side seems a lot cleaner because I don't feel like I'm picking up much. Cool. This side too, not much on this side, but you do got a little stuff that you picked up. But cool, that part's done. I'm just gonna lube up the other side with a little soap. Grab my microfiber towel. Shout out to Costco. Costco is the best place to get these. And just wipe it clean. For this kit, for the tint that I'm using on this one, is coming from LUXE. If you haven't heard of them, check them out. They have a lot of pre-cut tint for Mopar cars, even other cars too, so check them out. But they come with everything you need, your squeegee, your applicator, and your pre-cut tints. So, and then on one of them, they provide you 2 of them. So in case you mess up, at least you have an extra one. So I got an extra left-hand side, but I've already done the right-hand side, so we'll just go right into it. Now, I'm gonna go start off with the bigger piece first. Oh. Cool. Now, I start off with applying this applicator all over the taillight, and then I take off the backing. Oh, another thing you're gonna need for this install that is optional is a heat gun, or you can also use a hair blow dryer. But wet the backside of this side and the car. I'll do it one more time. And then you wanna make sure you're in between the blacks and as close as you can on this side, so you have some left over on this side. So you can see, so right there, sure, not too low, not too high. And once I'm happy where it's at, you can start. Another thing I like to do is put more applicator on the actual tint itself, and then grab your squeegee that they provide and just work it. Always go from one way out to the ends. And then I like to go down too, because most of your bubbles will come out that way. And same, middle up. Cool. Now you want to leave extra hanging over like this. And I'll open the trunk. And I just like to use my hands up and down. And it'll slowly start forming. And then just work it. It'll take a little time, but it'll hold the shape. Let me wipe it real quick. And just keep working it. And then there's like a little groove I have right here. So I just put my fingernail and press the tint into it. I do like to leave a lot extra on this side, so you can go back and cut off the excess, but it doesn't really bother me, so I just keep all the excess. Wipe it and just take your finger and just rub it, and you'll see like these bubbles come, and just work them out. See, so you have like that bubble right there, just work all of it out one way. And it'll move. And you'll see at the end that all it is just the water that's trapped in, or the applicator spray that we've been using. And it's almost out. And yeah, you can see it's already getting wet right there. Cool. Yeah. And then I just go over it again and go up and down. Make sure it's on proper. You have no bubbles. If you have bubbles, just work them, they'll come out. And also, it's gonna take a couple of days for your car to sit in the sun for it to fully cure. So if you see some bubbles, they probably will go away. Okay, so now I got my X-Acto. I got the tint where I want it. Just follow that groove and cut the excess off. Same on top. Start from the top, come on down. And that's it. Your excess is off, nice and tucked, and bam. Now we'll do the inner side and keep this X-Acto on the inside of the car because I'm not gonna need it. Okay. Cool. Now look it over one time, check if you see any bubbles. If you do, just work them out. They will come out. And if not, just let it sit in the sun and they'll work themselves out. And let's do the other side. Same thing with the other side, or the other side of the trunk. We're gonna apply some applicator spray. Take your tint, get that ready for this too.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
And you can see this is the extra piece that they give you for the other side. Let me grab the correct side and we'll come back. Now that we have the correct side, and there you have it. That side is also complete. So now this is how it's really clean. they got side markers too. So this one's red, but the front ones, they got that little orange one. You can't really see it right there. But they do got that tint too, and I do have it. But I probably won't include it in this video, because otherwise it's just not needed. But yeah, I'm gonna install those too. But yeah, that's it. LUXE is the way to go. Pre-cut tint. Tuck it in, you can't even tell. Yeah, comes out super clean. Company's really reputable. So if you have any issues or you're having any issues, just reach out to them and they'll help you out. Yeah, so that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one, but taillight tint on a Charger, must have. And also, I didn't record it, but the Dodge logo, I did remove, which I feel like it's a much cleaner look. Alright then, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye. So I got it all done. I thought I wasn't going to make this part of it, but it's the next day, so I'm just going to do a little walk around. I already got the side markers all done too. So yeah, this is the final product in the sun. That little pre-cut tint really makes a huge difference in the appearance of the car, so I highly recommend it. I also had it on my last one, so I know about it, and that's how I know the company actually sticks behind their product. So yeah, it's a really good product, and I'll link it down, everything below. I do have a question. It's what other content do you guys want to see? And if you do know, comment on the comment section below, and or personally DM me or something. But I appreciate all the support. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Like and subscribe my videos, and do the subscription and double and comment on this button. Thank you.